Hey, it's Carolyn again here. I was asked by one of my lovely clients to do some more videos because she says that there's not enough out there of me. So this is a video of watermelon right here. And I love food, as you probably know. If you don't know me, I do love food, but I hate waste. And one of the things that really helps with waste with food is keeping organized with our food. One of the best ways to keep organized with our food is store it properly. So here's a tip for watermelon. So you know how you buy watermelon and it's all wrapped in plastic and then it's in the fridge for a couple of days and then it's all slimy and horrible, no one wants to eat it and it goes in the bin. What a waste. So this is my little trick for keeping watermelon really nice and fresh. So I have my watermelon, and what I'm going to do, just while I'm talking, I'm going to start cutting it up. So cutting it up in nice big chunks is what I normally do, like this, and it then can go in these great glass containers. So there's two kinds that I like. One's from IKEA, this is the 365 range, and this one's glass lock, another really good range. So what's good about glass, it keeps things much longer, I find, than your plastics do. It also keeps things a lot fresher is what I find. And specifically with these ones, because as you can see in that green lid right there, they've got that nice little silicone rim, and that can be pulled out and put in the dishwasher as well. And I just play jigsaw with the watermelon in the container. I might have to chop off a little bit more of that one, that's all right, to fit it in there. And yeah, so I'm going to make that one about that thick. And then, you know, you don't want to make too many cuts because then it does start to go a bit slimy with all the cutting. So you can see there, we've just about got all of our big chunk of watermelon in the containers. And what's great, as I say, in the silicone, is when you pop it on top, it just snaps down and it's really, really airtight. And these are the best containers. Who's behind the camera there, he uses these for work all the time, so he can vouch for these. And that's your watermelon, keeping much, much longer. Hope you enjoy your weekend, especially Australia Day. Have a great day and love food, hate waste, people. See ya.